All right, we got a minute to go. I got a $500 risk limit loss in trading one contract with 40 tick. Stop automatically, which would represent a $200 loss. So I could make 2.5 trades and be done for the day if I fork out. $30 seconds to go. Don't know what it's going to do. So I'm going to hold off because I don't have the luxury. I moved it to buy market. 2 seconds.
Order filled.
Get in the money. Damn you. Damn.
Stop filled.
Damn it. That was just shit luck. $210. I should have, look where I entered. I should have entered down here. Would have had some room.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. Don't move it down. Damn you. Oh. Protect yourself. Hope for the best. It's going to take you out.
Stop filled.
All right, you made very little on that. But right off the bat, why don't we admit this is a shitty open? This could go either way. So I think the wise decision moving forward is to do nothing. This is just guesswork right here. Pure guesswork.
Order filled.
Okay, another 200 on the line. Looks not very good. Should you move it up? Give it a second.
Stop filled.
Very little money made there. So the difference between there and there is like $17 in fees. This is not a straight hard run. So this is where I got in trouble yesterday trying to play this. And it just didn't work for me. So later in the day, we might get a really nice high level or low level and get a steady turn, and then you can enter and build. Right now, this is just Russian roulette. You're right about Morgan Stanley upgrades crowd to overweight. Rothschild goes. I don't know if this is going to keep going down or if this is going to recover. Now you're getting FOMO'd in to take it to the downside. Do you want to put another 200 at risk? It's really struggling there, but it's pushing through. There's that turn that oftentimes happens. That would have been nice. That is the turn. I recognize it, I just didn't act on it. Oh, that would have been sweet. Remember, the thought just crossed my mind of changing this to 5. That stop would then represent $1,000. See that most likely checking back. Struggling right there.
Order filled.
Take a shot. Oh, come on, you bastard. Reducing it. That's all I did right there. Reduced it.
Stop filled.
Okay, 268. You're over halfway there to your daily limit. You need that buffer to play later. So let's just leave it alone. 245 to 268 is like $23 in commissions so far. And this is where you get in trouble, okay? This is where you get in trouble. So let's just minimize it. Come back later. Okay, half an hour later. Oof. Is this going to keep going down, or is it? You know, it's too bad you didn't get in. Well, that would have been tough there. Everything here would have been tough. I think I'm just going to pass on this. It's not a strong move. It's got too much consolidation for every little step. Let's just watch it a second and see if that's a good decision. Yeah, I was hoping to make a lot of money today, but I think that Gila Monster is now going to be off the record for me. Yeah, look at that. That would have hit your daily limit right there. So let's not play with it here. This could be a turning point to continue back down. See how this did, but let's get 2 or 3 candles that fail right there before you consider an entry. Say enter on the 3rd one. If that happens, if it comes all the way down, look how that did. Just on 1. It's just too much risk. So I'm going to let it go and watch it later. See, I think here is where I was thinking about going short. And look how that did not work. This is just too spastic, not trading it. Okay, I came back a few minutes later and look what the move it made. It's growing weak, so this could be a turn. Let's look at the phone. Check stocks. Okay. Now it's making a big rebound. Nasdaq's making not quite as big a one, and the S&P is making what's actually negative on the day. So is the Dow. So this might keep going up. Hard to say. So you need to be cautious right here. Have your custom strategy in. Check it. It's still at 40 for 1. Okay. You get a little lower, and I'm going to go short.
Order
Step
filled.
bid right there. Reduce it significantly. Oh, shit. This might and might not go. It's hard to say. If it doesn't, then I've probably blown my wad for the day. Yep,
Stop
there it
filled.
goes. Okay, 418. You are close enough to quitting point for the day. But you're not going to let this turn into some monster. Damn it all. Look at that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That prevents
Stop
you
filled.
clear out. Try it again. This is too high. You know, you could try it down here, but not here. So just let it get away from you. It's no big deal. Okay, keep me posted. Yeah, see how that would have worked? You could put in a buy limit down
Order
there.
submitted.
But the fear that immediately strikes me is if it comes down here, it's just going to keep going. It will indicate a total failure. We gotta remember to grab the right side of this puppy. Okay, gotta wait. I'm really comfortable with this, so. Let's see this resistance level. Don't like it. That might have been the spot.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. I'm gonna keep this going. Don't catch me, don't catch me. Keep going. No, 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 no. Go, 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 go.
Stop
Crowd
filled.
has a little more. Okay, we're only down to 300. But I think we can accept that we were late on this move and it's really slowing down. Wish I knew how much I made per trade. All right, I'm gonna stop for a while. Boy, that really looks like it's gonna tip over. Or it could be a fake up and it's just gonna keep going up. Just don't know. Better let it go. Oh, look at that, it's still going up.
Order filled.
And we'll try it again. We're in the money. I'm not letting anything get away today.
Stop filled.
Down to 231. Oh, where's that one I just did? Feels a lot better than close to 500. Managed to chip a couple hundred off of it. Geez, look at the move you missed. Oh, holy shit. Well, you were in here and you didn't stay in for all that. You're in here and you didn't stay in for all that. You're in here and you didn't stay in for all that.
Order filled.
And we're trying it one more time. It's an awfully steep curve. I'm running up. Shit.
Stop filled.
Lost the full $200 there. Could have been ready to buy right down there. Dumb shit.
Order
Let's
filled.
try it. Wait a minute, 364 in the hole. Give it a little room. This can't keep going up forever though, can it? It's the way to trade. You could have been adding all the way up in this thing, brother. Ah, damn
Stop
it, damn it,
filled.
damn it. Well, you played the game. Played it properly. On trades, only a loss of 280.
Order submitted.
You should have done a market order there.
Order canceled.
This might be the turn. It's been an awfully long run up. Look at that. Install stocks from App Store. You should be careful right here. This could be a turn. This is the longest cross consolidation I've seen. Well, there was one there. Look at that. Look at that. I think you shouldn't go long at this point because it's just so likely that it's going to turn down now. The S&P is, NASDAQ is. They're all turning down.
Order filled.
I'm going to go with the sell market here. That was sort of FOMO now, wasn't it? This could easily hit your $500. finish you off for the day, but it was a great training ground. Yeah, that's coming up. Yeah, they're all recovering.
Stop filled.
5:53. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can.
Order submitted. Order filled.
That shouldn't have worked. That should not have happened. That should not have happened. Did not trigger. No, this one's going to come down to bite me.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I just came in tight to not lose anymore. Cover a gap that way. And she does, she comes down. That's how she's crawling up. You've got to stick with your initial trade down here and not chase it. Now I'm too critical on this level. Almost undoubtedly going to get you.
Stop filled.
Where the fuck is this risk?
Does the overall action in the IGV today make you think maybe this bounce is short-lived?
Yeah, I mean, see, it's funny because we're kind of losing on both sides of the AI trade. The market is skeptical of the OCI business and what they're investing with OpenAI, but they also have that legacy software and database business that's also getting hit. We don't think that's appropriate for both sides to be punished. I think, ultimately AI is truly disruptive. That OCI business will win. So I think the market's trying to be negative on both sides.
Evan, how are you thinking about just the changing attitude toward the overall AI trade as it's evolved? Recently, at this point, it feels as if there's a line that says even the core kind of compute hardware names are sort of contingent on hyperscalers showing some better ROI because that's going to give you confidence that these spending levels are going to be continued for years to come. I know you have kind of hardware-centric concentration in this ETF, but how do you think about those, the interplay?
Is needs to monetization for scaler. That's why I think this pace of innovation we're seeing so encouraging. But it feels like it's going to be for absolutely use these profit it really pushes the back plus over. And I think as long as that capability
Order filled.
Finally, in terms of our expectations of how often Oracle will come to market on debt or equity, you think that changes?
Yeah, I think they're going to change that network. I think, at least in the but that market is great.
I've got little choice but to put that there. Because you don't want to see that grow any larger.
It's one important customer, that's for sure. We'll see what we get tonight, Evan. Thanks so much. Good to talk to you. Have fun down there. Thanks, Vegas.
Looks like things got better after that.
I keep hoping for one of these to just get me solidly in it so I can let it run. But I keep following too closely. And today was not the day to follow closely.
Emergency oil stocks available to the market. Interestingly, today, IEA member countries handled over 1.2 billion barrels.
See how this is failing? It's going to come down and get me.
600 million barrels of history stock held under government obligation.
You've got to get in earlier. You've got to be watching for the move, and you got to play it properly. You don't mind losing what I lost today because it's calculated risk, I guess you would call it.
That was the first step to making it like that intraday comeback yesterday was sort of consequential as opposed to just, a quick step back. Kind of nobody knows anything about how it's going to go from here. So
now, if we get up, let's say I'm lucky and it gets up to here. On a dip, you should add. No, it's going to be sort of risky business because you want to get your stop up there.
Stop filled.
Damn it. See, I was too tight and it pulled me out. A risk you don't have to endure. And look at how that would have worked. Look at that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right. Reduce this to maybe 100 and leave it there. Just leave it. Be willing to lose the 100. A good chance you can too. I guess pull it to right there. I know this is going to be costly if it gets me, but it's something I need to start practicing. I mean, if I did that way down below when I first started, I'd be solidly in the money for the day. I would say it has to get up to about here before I can move it to the break-even spot. Then it's a calculated risk that skews a little bit more in my favor. Don't add to a loser, which is what it is now. There's a temptation to jump in. That's a false, whatever you call it, false breakout. Very false. That makes it seem farther away. Only $65. Not going to be the end of the world, but here it comes. So that was false breakout. You should have jumped up behind it. Is that a false breakout to the bottom? Are they just cleaning out this section? I'm glad I didn't add there. Like I said, way up there, you can consider an add.
Several sectors in the green, although at these levels, gives you back roughly to, I would say, Sarah, Thursday of last week.
Yeah, just if you're keeping score, we're about 2% off the highs. So, off the overall highs of the market, which were not too long ago. We were down 5% off the highs yesterday.
Honestly say, I don't feel good about this, but came close to getting bit there. This could go either way. Come on, doji yourself up here. Wish you could see the minutes. Know where you are in a candle. The S&P and NASDAQ show they're going up. Only the Dow is flattening out. That's okay. Let this run.
Today will be yet again our most intense day of strikes. Right. Most fighters, most bombers, and most strikes. Intelligent, more refined, better. That's one. On the other, the last 24 hours, the Iran fire, the lowest fire. Where we are in the process of this war in Iran, Secretary said that it's not for him to say. Ultimately, it's President Trump's call. He said it's not for him to say whether we're at the beginning, middle, or the end of the war. To that, what is next in the wake briefings? Are we getting?
Don't add there. Okay, very close.
Quite on a daily tempo yet at the Pentagon, but we could expect a 2 p.m. briefing from the White House. I'm going to be headed over there here.
Well, we lost way more than I wanted if it ticks, but Does not look good.
The question is, what kind of are we going to get at that GM press conference in Carolina?
You know, clearly, Mike just said the $100 barrel pain threshold there. Watching very carefully. What if we do? If this does go longer, oil prices do go higher. Do you have a sense of what they're looking at as far as what they could do to fight the rising oil prices?
Yeah, I don't think
It's not surviving this trend.
$100 is a number. We're paying attention very closely to that. Look, a lot
Only the Dow is doing this, the other two are not.
but what we've seen is this idea of coalescing around the joint G7 of strategic reserves. That seems to be sort of front and center in terms of thinking right now. We'll see what else they can do. Obviously, there's enough domestic production for the U.S. market, given the enormous amount of oil the U.S. is not able to produce. So, the president said yesterday, this is largely about getting the global oil markets.
Well, this is pretty certain it's got
Stop
me.
filled.
Okay, 691. All right, we're going to stop there for the day. That's all there is to it. Should have grabbed some of these at the peak. According to this chart here, it looks like it's turning up. But I'm not going to add to my agony today. $700 basically. So it is what it is. Boy, the temptation just crossed my mind to do 5. I'm sorry to hear this didn't work. Time of the day probably starts at 5 p.m. Central and ends at starts at 5 o'clock in the evening and ends at 3:45 p.m.
Yeah, no, that's 100% true. I'm not a military expert, but if the president's saying that this is going to be a few-week war, the market seems to believe that. Because I'm talking about before, the market's down 1-2%. So the market is not.
Well, look at that. Well, I didn't move my stop. S&P is reversing. Come on. Oops. Come on. NASDAQ is reversing. Don't chase it. Risk settings article. Come here, you fucker.
And long term, I think by the end of the year, our target remains at 7,700 base days.
Yeah, I mean, some people think that the power is going to actually stop us from growing capacity on our artificial intelligence that we actually have too much on that front. And it'll act as a tailwind, not as a headwind, not a tailwind.
Well, I mean, if you look at the Secretary of Energy and you see what's come out of this administration, a focus on nuclear energy, other energy capacity, and other energy forms. And I think that there is transformational technologies going on in all 3 of these areas: artificial intelligence, longevity, and power. And it's not just about fossil fuels anymore. It's about finding other ways of getting that power to power this change throughout the economy.
How the fuck did you do this?
Multiples that you want to pay right now for consumer discretionary stock, a hotel stock, an airline, in the crosshairs here.
Don't get distracted by that.
Growth in earnings for the end of the year. And, we're about to enter America 250. And we have no idea what that's going to be like. This is going to be a place that people are going to come from. The country has the opportunity to coalesce around America 250, a positivity that could have animal spirits bring the market higher if the I think that positivity and animal spirits is always counts. I think the fact that we're going to have lower interest rates, we're looking for 3.25% 10-year money, and this technology combination allows us to have a base case 7,700 aware of this and not ignoring the fact that we're in the middle of war with Iran.
Are you tweaking higher your near-term inflation numbers? And CPI tomorrow, unlikely to reflect all of it.
Well, I mean, people are still looking at the idea of the tariffs. 2025, we had Liberation Day. That wound up being nothing. And we see that the productivity numbers are going to be helpful in decreasing the inflationary numbers. That's why, you know, the market's very comfortable with the Kevin Warsh's chair. Maybe even Beer will stay on that, depending on what happens with Powell. I think it would
Well,
be very interesting.
I'm not gonna chase that. That could easily turn. It's just too volatile. Plus I've exceeded by $200 because that damn thing didn't work. I'm gonna have to check it each morning. When did it say it actually works? The hell? Chat. The daily profit and loss calculation starts at 5 p.m. Ends at 3:45 p.m.
First interview after results last night. Company does expect elevated prices and that rate persist out into 27. That's next.
Plus, U.S. Special Envoy for Peace Mission, Steve Witkoff, will be with us. So that's their negotiations and others have with us to the beginning of the war.
I didn't feel we had a choice. If we didn't do it, they would have done it to us. I felt based on the negotiations that were being had by Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner and Marco and Pete and everybody, I felt that they were looking to tap us along before they did. And I thought and if they hit us first, that would have been a very bad thing.
Tomorrow doesn't just happen, it's designed. NASDAQ indexes are more than just a convergence of capital and innovation. They are the blueprint of what's next. From biotech, semiconductors, and digital assets to cloud and cybersecurity. NASDAQ indexes ignite growth and empower the world to create what comes next. Because tomorrow is one blueprint at a time.
Oh, for Christ's sake, turn this thing off.